Welcome to the Kundalini Sanctuary, your sacred space for awakening and nurturing your inner energy. In this sanctuary, we embark on a transformative journey together, exploring the ancient practices of Kundalini Yoga, meditation, and holistic wellness. Through guided sessions, powerful breathwork techniques, and enlightening discussions, you'll connect with your higher self and unlock the limitless potential within you. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or you're just beginning your journey, the Kundalini Sanctuary offers a haven for growth, peace, and spiritual elevation. Subscribe and join our community as we rise, heal, and thrive together in the light of Kundalini energy. Welcome to your sanctuary. I am Melanie Mataji. I am your guide and sacred space holder. Sat Nam.